Here are 7 lesser discussed truths about natural hair. 1. Shrinkage is a double-edged sword. While shrinkage showcases your hair's elasticity, a sign of health, it can also make it difficult to gauge length or style certain looks. 2. Porosity matters more than curl type. People often focus on curl patterns, e.g. 3A, 4C, but porosity, how your hair absorbs and retains moisture, is far more critical for determining the right products and routines. 3. Protective styles aren't always protective. Tight braids, excessive tension, or neglecting scalp care while wearing protective styles can lead to breakage or hair loss. If you've watched this video this far, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. 4. Natural hair can be expensive to maintain. Quality products, tools, and salon visits, if needed, can add up, especially for people trying to find what works for their hair. 5. Every natural hair journey is unique. Not every product, technique, or routine will work for everyone, even if they have a similar curl pattern or hair type. Trial and error is inevitable. 6. Heat damage can be irreversible. Even one careless use of heat tools can permanently alter curl patterns, making recovery a long and sometimes impossible process. 7. Society still has biases against natural hair. Despite progress, natural hair is still stigmatized in professional, academic, and social settings, leading many to feel pressure to conform to Eurocentric beauty standards. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, bye.